Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about Hill People Gear's Runner's Kit Bag. I believe this is the original Runner's Kit Bag Snubby size. So I want to talk about what I carry in it, why I have it, and what I like and don't like about it. So first things first, I got this bag specifically to carry a gun while I'm running. I mean, that's pretty simple. It's so hard to carry a gun in gym shorts or in any other attire that's not belt loop designed and with a well sturdy belt. I know there are other options like the Enigma holster and stuff, but let's be real, I don't want stuff on my waist when I'm running. So what I figured out is that I can buy something like this. It's very tight to my chest. It doesn't inhibit me from moving much, and it also has a bunch of other uses. So let's get into that a little bit. So I'm going to show you the first pocket, which is just a small pocket, and I keep my keys and a knife in here. Pretty simple, just keys and a knife. It holds pretty much all my EDC gear plus some. My second pocket here, I'm gonna be keeping my phone, a wallet, and a light. Pretty simple. Again, this is stuff I would carry on an everyday basis, and now all in my chest. And lastly, I can keep a gun in here. So this is my Springfield Hellcat Pro. And I'll show you how well it fits. Fits quite nicely. This is designed for a Glock 19. So anything smaller than that, you shouldn't have any issues. Anything bigger than that, even I think with a red dot, a Glock 19 with a red dot, it's going to be a little tight, but it still can manage. So those are some things to keep in mind. I've also got my Glock 43X over there. I was going to show you that inside of here. So the first thing I want to talk about is the quality of the material. I didn't have any impression when I was looking up Hill People gear that they were going to be poor quality. Everybody says really good things, and I'm going to be the next person to say pretty good things about it. It's very quality material. The straps are solid. The buckles are pretty solid, and they're kind of unique. The zippers are smooth. They even have a small flap in which you can cover the front or back pouch so that rain, sweat, and all the other stuff is not going to get on your equipment. I like to just flip it forward so my phone stays dry. I've ran with this in the rain. I've ran several miles with this. I have no issues. It's pretty damn comfortable. The only thing I will say is they do make I guess it's like a runner strap. It hooks these bottom loops right here, and it gives you a retention at the bottom. I'm going to tell you to get those. Right now, I don't have that. They don't have it in gray, and I kind of want to match everything up. But I've taken a simple solution, which is just paracord, and kind of cinched it down, and it makes a world of a difference. So I would tell you, if you're planning on running with a kit bag, just get the runner's strap. It's worth the money. It's like $8. So that being said, you can use this piece of gear in several different situations. For instance, if you're hunting, if you're backpacking, if you're kayaking, all those times when carrying a gun or carrying all your EDC equipment can be somewhat difficult, this is the ticket. I know I've even read some guys use this when they're riding a bike. So some other things to consider. It's worth the money because you're going to be able to use it in a span of different areas. So I just want to take this off and show you guys what it looks like on the tailgate. Okay guys, so here it is again. I want to talk about the different pockets a little bit more in depth because there's a lot going on here. So first of all, like I said, I have my keys here and a knife. There's actually pockets within this pocket to just kind of keep things separate and organized. There's also these straps, which I really don't have a clue as to what I would do with that, but nonetheless. The second pocket here, now this is for this bag in specific. It has the laser cut Molly or Pals attachment, whatever you would call this. It's got two pockets on the inside, one in which I keep my phone, and you can kind of mount whatever you'd like to this. So if you wanted to keep a spare mag while you're running or while you're doing whatever activity you're doing, you could rig up some type of mag pouch here. And then lastly, this is the pocket for the firearm. So as you can see, it fits pretty much perfectly, and it's got a little bit of wiggle room. And what I find is when I'm running, sometimes this thing can start bouncing in here a little bit. So if I had the option to put one of the trigger guard holsters over this and keep it tied down, I absolutely would. But as everybody knows, with Hellcat Pros, that's kind of hard to find. This is a Glock 43X inside of the bag. And just to give you guys a reference, it fits in there pretty much perfectly. With a red dot, you would be fine as well. I would say that any size, anything Glock 19 and smaller, you're going to be good for. So again, here's the bag, and it's also got these, I guess, loop straps at the bottom, so where you could keep a tourniquet or maybe even an extra pouch if you'd like. On the back here, it's padded pretty thick to keep your firearm from hitting your chest and getting sharp. It also keeps sweat off of it. These straps are pretty good. They're thick enough to where they don't feel like they're digging into your skin when you're running, even like at distance. It's also not so tight on my neck to where it's cutting me or anything in just a regular t-shirt. So I like that a lot. It looks like it's pretty good quality. These keepers could be a little tighter, but other than that, no issues. This mesh backing helps it be breathable, and I could see that being a big help if you were carrying a backpack over top of this. Let's see, it's pretty adjustable. I'm not a big guy, so I've got mine adjusted in all the way pretty much. And I want to keep it tight because, again, I don't want it bouncing around when I'm running. But yeah, I mean, I've got my entire EDC in here. It's pretty awesome for running. It's pretty awesome if you're doing some backpacking. Hill People Gear has plenty of experience with this stuff, and they make quality products. So I would recommend this for anybody that's looking for a system like this.